Let me show you how I generated this eagle art image using this outline sketch reference in Adobe Firefly. Open your browser and search Adobe Firefly. You will need to sign in first. I have already signed in. Click on Generate. From General Settings, set Aspect Ratio. I have selected Landscape. Keep Content Type to Auto. Before uploading reference, we will describe prompt. Adobe Firefly also provides suggestions. You can take help of these suggestions. Then we will add structure reference. I have provided image link in description. Make sure to follow user guidelines. Increase strength. From styles, increase visual intensity. From effects, go to themes and select pop art and psychedelic wonderland. Remove earlier keywords if there. Then from effects, select neon. From color and tone, select vibrant colors. From lighting, select studio light. And from camera angle, select wide angle. All the keywords get added in prompt. Click on Try Prompt. These are some results. You can download images from here. Click on Continue. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.